SEO is obviously one of the most interesting areas or parts of digital marketing that anyone should actually delve into. I mean, from experience, from over a decade of experience teaching and practicing SEO, I can tell you for a fact that this particular area of digital marketing is one of the juiciest, I mean, one of the sweetest part of digital marketing. So in one of my previous videos, I explained the meaning of SEO, I mean the meaning of search engine optimization, and of course also I talked extensively about how search engines actually work, looking into the crawling phase, looking into the indexation phase, and the ranking and the serving phase, right? But believe me on this, guys, if you are really ready and serious about learning SEO, you cannot limit yourself to knowing what SEO is alone and knowing also how search works, right? You want to take it a step further by understanding the various types of SEO, because a good understanding of the various types of SEO will also set you apart from the general crowd, right? Because a good understanding of the various types of SEO will also set you apart from every other Dick and Harry SEO specialist, right? So in this particular video, I want to help you understand the various types of SEO. I want to help you break them down, helping you to understand them in deeper sense, what each of them really are and how each of them actually works, right? So I'll be covering the on-page SEO, the off-page SEO, the technical SEO, the local SEO, the international SEO, as well as e-commerce SEO also, right? So I'm very confident that at the end of this video you say a big thank you to me, because I'm literally giving my all to this in helping you to understand the various types of SEO. So let's hop right into the video together and let's enjoy the types of SEO together. So welcome to this particular section of my videos. So in this particular video, I want us to consider the types of SEO, right? I mean, a deeper look into the types of SEO. So please stay with me as I explain all of these types of SEO to you and then show you examples on how you can get to do any of this, right? So the very first type of SEO we have is the on-page SEO. On-page SEO has to do with all of the optimizations you do within your website. So let's say, for instance, when you optimize any of the pages inside of your website, when you write blog content, right? These are examples of on-page SEO. When you write blog content inside of your website, this is an example, a good example of on-page SEO, right? So off-page SEO are all of the optimizations you do outside of your website. So let's say, for instance, you do guest blogging. I mean, you feature on a third-party blog as a guest, right? Let's say, for instance, you grant interviews, you do press releases, right? These are examples of off-page SEO, right? So technical SEO are all the technical stuff, all the technical things that you need to put into place in order to help your website to also rank organically. Let's say, for instance, your website speed, right? The website speed, how fast does your website load? We have structured data, right? Those are also examples of technical SEO and several other things. So we have local SEO, all of the optimizations you do locally, optimizing for local search terms, all this kind of near me. Under here we have things like Google business profile, right? Google business profile optimization. Now international SEO is a type of SEO that you do that allows your business to be seen across the globe, right? So I'll also share a video on how to do this also. E-commerce SEO is very important also. It's a type of SEO that you do for an e-commerce platform. So these are the types of SEOs that we have: the on-page, the off-page, the technical SEO, the local SEO, the e-commerce SEO, and the international SEO, right? So in a more practical sense, I'll walk you through right now, sharing videos on how to do each of these types of SEOs. So thank you so much, guys, and see you soon.